Hey dear ones, how are you all? Hope you all are doing great. Welcome to Vidwath virtual class and I'm Chaitanya, your science tutor. Today in our session, we will be discussing a mind-blowing topic. Mind-blowing in the sense it's all about mind itself, Yeah, welcome to control and coordination. So without delay, just dive into the class now, okay? So students, assume that you are in a park. What do you see there? You see some people are walking, you see some people are jogging, you see some children are playing, and also you see the plants or animals or the birds, they'll be doing their work, right? So what are they doing actually? They are moving, right? Yeah, and being a science student, what we say, if an organism is alive, how can we define that whether or how can you say that organism is alive? By seeing its movement, right? So in your surrounding, if you see some organism moving, what does it mean? It is what? It is actually, it is alive, right? Yeah, student. But assume, just see what is happening here. Even these organisms are also moving, right? Yeah, there is a zebra which is running. You can see a plant, it is closing. I know you people will be familiar with this plant, right? The touch me not plant. You people will be playing a lot with that, right? Yeah, even I was doing when I was young. And a person is eating, right? So even he is moving, right? Yeah, they are alive itself. True, but do they have any purpose for that? Do I find any motto or purpose why they are doing? Actually, yeah, he's having a food because he's hungry, and a zebra is running fastly because maybe some lion or cheetah is chasing it. So in order to save its own life, it's running. And touch me not plant, it is closing its leaf. Why? Because someone is touching it, and that's why it is closing it. So what is happening here? We are responding for our environment. Can I say like that? Yeah. What is happening? Whatever the movement which you observe in the surrounding. For example, a cat is running. Why? Because it saw a mouse, right? If you see a cow is munching the cud, what is happening? It is breaking down the food, right? So, whatever the movements you see, what is happening there? It is because of the external surrounding, and we are responding and reacting for that. And you know what is this responding and reacting is called as? It is called as the stimuli. So, how can you define stimuli? Stimuli is the changes in the environment to which an organism, we are all of the organism, we are responding. We are responding at the same time. We are reacting for that is called as what? It is called as the stimuli. Understood? So, if some person comes and talk to me and I'll be responding him back, right? So, what does it mean? I am responding for him means I am showing the stimuli. If someone or you people will be shaking hands with your friends, right? So what you are doing? You are responding for the stimuli. Understood? Yeah. So this is the stimuli. Hope you understood. So at the same time, just imagine, see, if you see a centipede or if you see this cheetah or if you see the plant, what are they doing? Obviously, they are responding for the stimuli. But understand, see, this centipede has numerous legs. You can see, there are so many legs. And what you need to observe there is, they are moving one by one. What they are doing? This centipede is controlledly moving the legs by coordinating with each other, right? Yeah, you can see that, right? They are controlling and controlling the movement. At the same time, they are coordinating. Means they are adjusting with the other legs, right? The same thing happening in the cheetah when it's running also. See what it's doing? The forelimb is moving first and the hind limb is backing up. If it is not, if it's moving at the same time, what would have happened? It would have been fallen down, right? Yeah, students. So, what is happening here? There is a control movement. And if you come for the plant, it is growing upwards. Did you see any plants which is going like this? No, right? It will be moving upwards itself. That's how the plant grows, right? So, what is happening in all these examples? there is a controlled movement. At the same time, it is coordinating with each other, right? Yeah, student. So whatever the stimuli which you do, it will be controlled. At the same time, it will be coordinated. And how can you define this control and coordination? See, this is what. See, what does it means is the working together of various organs, right? There are numerous legs. Here, forelimbs and the hind limbs. What are they doing? They are the organs. They are working together or in a systematic and a controlled manner, right? They are systematically and at the controlled manner they are working, and what they are doing for the stimuli, they are responding. For the stimuli, they are responding, and this is called as what? The control and coordination. Understood now? Hopefully you got it. So this is called as what? Control and coordination. Let me read it again. The working together of various organs of an organism in a systematic, controlled manner so that to produce a proper response for the stimulus, okay? Proper response for stimulus is called as what? Control and coordination. So, in our body, who does this control and coordination then? It is nothing other than our brain. Yeah, student. Your brain is the boss of your body, you know. He is the one who controls and coordinates all parts of our body. Understood? And it is done through the help of what? The nervous system, okay? And upon that, sometimes this nervous system have their own limitations. But this brain takes one more person's help, and that is what? It is the hormonal system. Understood? Yeah, student. So, because of these, what is that? The hormonal system and the nervous system, our body is completely controlled and coordinated at the same time. Hope you understood. So, in this session, we will be learning a little more about the nervous system. Okay? Yeah, student. So, our nervous system, especially the human nervous system, it has two types of system. One is this is the brain, and you can find one spinal cord which is running in the back region, right? Yeah, student. And this is called as what? The cranial nervous system. Okay? This is called as the cranial nervous system. Okay, the brain and the spinal cord is called as what? The cranial nervous system. Upon that, you can find the branches, right, which are arising. Okay, here and the, what is that? In the hands and all, you can see the back and the legs and all. What you can find? There are veins which are running from the middle spinal cord, right? Yeah, student. And these are the peripheral what? Veins, okay? And these are called as what? These are called as the peripheral nervous system, hence the name. Understood? So, our nervous system, there are two types in our nervous system. What are those? These are the cranial nervous system, and one more is the peripheral nervous system. Understood? Yeah. So, what and all we learnt in this session? We learnt what is stimuli, what the changes in our surrounding which is making us to respond, right? That is called as what? That is called as stimuli. We also learnt about the control and coordination. What is the meaning of it, right? Yeah, it is nothing but a systematic controlled manner of responding is called as what? The control and coordination. We also learned about the coordination in animals is done by two major systems. What are those? Those are hormonal system and also the nervous system. Understood? Okay, student. So, for more amazing videos like this, what you have to do? You have to subscribe our channel. We are there in all the social medias. Do go there, follow us, and also share it with your friends. Okay? And do wait for the next session. Till then, take care. Stay tuned.